warning for central Hardin County, Illinois, northwestern Crittenden County, Kentucky, northeastern Livingston County, Kentucky, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Rosie Clare, or 14 miles west of Marion, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Hardin, northwestern Crittenden, and northeastern Livingston counties, including the following locations: Cave and Rock, Carsville, and Elizabethtown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Hardin, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky,